I'm using the Husqvarna VIKING Designer Topaz 65 sewing and embroidery machine to explain some of the functions in embroidery stitch out. So I am currently in embroidery stitch out, and this video is going to look at the color block list. Now, if you're not sure what any of these icons are, remember you have access to Quick Help and it will tell you. So here's my color block list. Again, this menu can be moved anywhere on the screen with the move icon. Open that up, and what it is showing me is all of the colors that are in that particular design that I have. There are 21 colors, so one design with 21 colors. We close that. You can see there's quite a few colors in there. Let's open that back up again. And I have on the top here some very important features. So there is that based option. We saw this when we were in that embroidery settings screen as we moved from edit to stitch out. If I select that, it allows me the option to baste around the design or baste around the hoop. So if I missed it in the settings menu, then I can select it here. One color, what that allows me to do is to remove all the color stops from this design, so it becomes a monochromatic design. So if I select that, you see what happened? It removed all the color stops. So there is only one color. It shows black on the screen, but it can be any color that I choose. I don't want that, so I'm going to deselect it, and now I have all my colors again on the screen. Now there is a very important tool here which is called Ghost Mode. Now, I'll close this menu again. If we were to look at this, and we can see where the start point is up here, but is it going to be stitching that yellow, or will it be stitching the gold or the brown? We're not really sure. It's very confusing with all those colors on the screen. So open up the color block list again, select Ghost Mode, close the color block options, and now it will show me what color or where the current color is going to stitch. The rest of the design is there, but it is grayed out, and only that design or that color will show. So again, if we move down to, let's say, that pink, it's going to highlight only that pink so that I know where to go and find that color or where it's going to stitch. So color block list is very important. Again, play with those functions, play with the buttons, see what they do. They are there for a reason, and they will help your embroidery a lot.